here's what it looks like underneath. You still have the factory catalytic converters up there. You do not have the third cat. And then it goes straight back. So that's the pipe that it replaces, the 3-inch pipe. And then over here it goes to the 2 1/4 wide pipe. And then that goes up to the 2 tips. I'm not quite sure on how long they are, but they're 4-inch diameter. And that's how it's ran. You have a hanger right there. It bends all up inside there. Still had the factory spare tire. There, see? And then it just goes all the way back there. It's very difficult to see, but if you want a great sounding exhaust, this is definitely probably one of the best options for a Tahoe or a Avalanche, which I have. But love this exhaust. It's very loud, great sounding. So much traffic here. Here we go. Just gonna pull out right here. I still have the factory catalytic converters in. It's not too terribly loud. If you're just putting around town, it's pretty quiet, but once you get around the 3,000 to about 2,500 range, it starts kind of chopping and clapping a little bit, but it's not too terribly bad. I've taken multiple highway trips in this thing. It's not too loud at all, but just loud enough where you can have some fun with it and really hear it. I'll get back whenever we're on the highway and just putting along. Right now we're stuck in stop and go traffic, so